Hello everyone, and welcome to this brief introduction to the new Quixel suite. I am your instructor, Steve Curtis, and I will be taking you through the creation of very simple assets for the Unity game engine. We're not even going to get into a 3D modeling package per se. We're going to work with a flat, single polygon plane, and we're going to bring that into Photoshop and into Quixel. And I'm going to show you how to create the illusion of geometry and create the illusion of textures using Quixel's awesome new suite. And when it's all said and done, we will have some awesome planes that we can duplicate in Unity to make a very simple hallway level. I hope you enjoyed this course. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.